Hi guys, welcome to Madame Araya 28 channel. We bring you videos for cooking, traveling, and planting in the garden. Today we are on the Santa Cruz Wharf in Santa Cruz, California, and we hope you enjoy the video.
วันนี้พามาเที่ยวซันตาครูซนะคะ ตรงนี้เป็นสถานที่ที่เขามาตกเบ็ดนะคะ เรากำลังจะเดินไปหาอาหารนะคะเดินหาร้านอาหารกินค่ะมาเที่ยวซานตาครูซวันนี้
Santa Cruz Wharf
ซานตาครูซวอร์ฟ
have restaurants for
Have-
eating all seafood
ว้าว
and have fishing over there. You want to show the? Let's show over here. Go over here. Show the boat. Yeah, over there is the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk where all the rides are. They have roller coasters, arcades. They've got all sorts of stuff over there. It's a great place to go on a Friday or Saturday night. But since this is a liberal town, we are locked down. We're closed down. Thank you, Governor Newsom. So anyhow, we're at the beach boardwalk here, the wharf, and this is just beautiful. The mountains in the back. See,
ตรงนู้นก็จะเป็นสวนสนุกนะคะ
why people love Santa Cruz, the beach boardwalk, is because in the background they have mountains with beautiful redwood trees, and they come all the ways up to the ocean. Nowhere else in the world we do, except for the coast of California has that. So it has beautiful mountains, and then you can see the trees over there. And then all of a sudden, boom, you're at the ocean. So that's why everybody loves Santa Cruz.
ก็จะมีรถ3 ล้อเหมือนที่ไทยเลยนะคะเขาจะพาเราเที่ยวรอบที่บริเวณนี้นะคะนั่นนะคะ3 ล้อโหร้านนี้คนเยอะมากเลยค่ะนี่กด20 minutes yet honey?
Yeah.
They call you yet?
No, I asked them.
I like that one.
Hey, just check it out on our spot line.
What's it?
Chris.
เราก็เข้ามาในร้านอาหารแล้วนะคะนั่งรออาหารระหว่างนี้ก็ชมวิวในร้านอาหารไปก่อนนะคะ
I didn't want calamari, but I didn't do it.
Oh, you're doing that?
I don't think I'd have to have 30. 23 and half a calamari.
Thank you.
Give me that if that's okay. If you want it in my pocket.
หลังจากที่เรากินอาหารเที่ยงแล้วเดี๋ยวจะพาไปชมสิงโตทะเลนะคะบอกเลยว่าเยอะมากเลยค่ะมีเป็นร้อยเลยค่ะ What's that? What kind of fish honey?
Anchovies.
Anchovy?
Anchovies, yeah.
Right on. What else you catching, anything?
No. A lot of times we'll come down here and catch like the mackerel,
Yeah.
Spanish mackerel that are pretty good, or sardines.
Yeah.
Oh, right there. Get one.
But yeah, they're pretty small, but they're tasty too.
Oh yeah, we love those. She loves them.
I saw the restaurant in Mandalay. They have that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, pickle fish, something like that.
Fish?
Huh?
Filipino?
No, I'm from Thailand. Are you Philippine?
Yeah. Something like you're from Philippines.
Yeah.
Accent. Yeah, Thailand.
Because we have back hair.
Thick your hair.
Yeah. We have back hair. Yeah.
And they talk almost the same when they talk English, you know? Yeah. Have you been over there? No. I go back and forth to the place. Yeah.
They do kayak over there. Kayak.
Sorry.
They like to get that. Wait,
Good,
wait.
good.
Oh, big one.
Oh.
What is that?
I don't know. I think it's a mackerel.
Nope, because of the stripe.
Jack smell? Maybe? It's a
You
nice
like to eat fish?
Huh?
You like to eat fish?
Good job. Good catch, man.
Look at that. อาหารสลัดด้วยอ่ะซีฟู้ด
If you like our videos, hit the like button and subscribe. We appreciate it very much. See you on the next video. Swatika.